Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 31st of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trade that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and E-mini CFD contracts. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close on all E-minis and started to go up during the London session but couldn't last and started to go down pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price started to retest this level and couldn't hold, and sellers pushed the price lower and it reached the previous day low on Nasdaq. So our plan of action was to wait for the price to test this level and take long positions. And as you see here, at 1 o'clock, when the price reached the support level here and the buyers came back, we took long position with setup C first and later with setup T. And when it retested again around 1:30 this level, we took several long positions with setup C again on micro Nasdaq contracts. And on Dow Jones around 1 o'clock again, we took one long position with setup T. And on S&P 500 also I took some long positions pre-market when the price was in this uptrend wave. And all these trades were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex trader funding accounts. And you see here the performance of one of these accounts that shows it was positive with profit factor of 4.4, which is coming from 82% win rate, 81% from 16 long positions taken, and 100% from one sell short positions taken. The average win to loss ratio was close to 1. The largest winning trade was 150 and the largest losing trade was $104. So these are the summary of the trades that were taken on the futures prop firm account. And let's look at the trades on the small 5K CFD account. So these are the list of trades that we have taken today on the CFD prop firm account. And from 7 trades taken, we had only 1 loss. And you can see that the total profit is now $297. So this shows the total profit and loss, and we gained $75 today, and our profit factor also improved. And you can see the equity curve which is growing consistently, and this $75 corresponds in the 5K prop firm account to about 4.5K profit in 300K futures prop firm account. And as you see, we had 83% win rate that resulted in 16 consecutive gains that made $87 profit, and 4 consecutive losses in a row that resulted in $41 loss. So in the past 20 days, we made about $300 and are getting close to $400 target, which is 8% of the 5K prop firm account requirements for the first target. So tomorrow the market is closed and on the 1st of January. So we're gonna come back next year and continue working on this account. And hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures and CFD prop firm account is useful for you. And let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and happy holiday and happy new year to all of you.